welcome to my vlog again today. I did a she shed roof. I finished the tie rod end on her 96 Mustang. And guess what? It's that time again to do the lawn. And I was ahead. I got the snowblower off in time, and I was able to do one mow just before it was going to explode. And unfortunately, it exploded and the tractor quit. So right now I've got no spark to the plugs. So I don't know whether I got coil issues or resistor issues, or there might be the magnetic pickups on the flywheel. So let's pull this thing apart and see what we got. Hopefully it's something simple as a broken wire or something, because of course I've had something living in here. Living in my dash for the winter. So we'll see how far we get before my battery quits. I've been using that all morning. Let's get this pulled apart. Hate it being down here. I'm gonna have to drag it up to the house. Let's see. How many things hold it together? I've never gone this far. There's an Allen. First thing I'm going to do is pull that cover off there. Screwdriver down here. Was it Allen? Nope, they're just plain screwdriver. Screwdriver in here. Yep, I don't have a screwdriver. Yeah, we are working on the Craftsman DieHard Kohler Commander 22.5 V-twin horsepower. So let's get this cover off, because I may have had something, a rodent or something, that decided he wanted to live in there. Trying to figure out what holds this head on. All kinds of little screws holding that cover on. First I need one for that. Okay, I'm pulling the screws out of the rotator here. It's intermittent, it's weird. So something's positive. And I thought I had bad fuel, but I put the spark checker on it, and it's not got any spark. Okay. Next, I've got to get all those. Seriously, just drop the screw. Man, it found the hole. Damn it. Where'd you go? Oh, fell. Gotcha. Got it. I'm losing the screws. Okay. Gonna find you got star tips. And what the heck is this one? It was made in China, doesn't tell me. That looks like a 20 maybe. That's gonna hold pole is your fuel regulator there. Behind her. Another one behind the oil or the dipstick. Look how clean that oil is. I haven't cleaned that, changed that oil in 2 seasons. Next, a couple of small. What are those? Okay, good standard. Right. Now I'm gonna leave those on there. Looks like that might catch it, so might be holding. Could even be a ground, causing it not to start. Let's see that one there. Slide up. I bought a new starter for this at one time. Okay. That. I'm so curious to find out what's under here. I haven't pulled that part of it apart yet. So, question is, what is are the coils bad now? About it's got to be 4 or 5 years ago. It wouldn't start either, and had to have the, oh, come off it. I had to have just the coils. Real quick like, I got the cover off. All kinds of little presents in here. I actually had something over the pickup. Look through here really good. Make sure I got nothing in here that's keeping it. Alright, well, that's where we're at. Right now I'm gonna, the pickups right here. I'm going to, you got 2 of them, one on each side here. Clean them up.